All right, a few minutes ago, I said that most of the county is seeing those beautiful blue skies, but there are areas along our coastline that some of that fog is starting to try to move in. This is kind of a hazy view from La Jolla, and as I pull up our visibility map, everything looks really good, but if you look at Imperial Beach, visibility is down to 1.5 miles there, and it's a little reduced in parts of Chula Vista down to about 4.5 miles. So just like we saw yesterday, some patchy fog is going to be possible to build along the coastline over the next few hours, and again, we'll continue into the morning hours. Very patchy in nature, though. Temperatures are cooling off for some coastal areas in the 50s already in Del Mar and in La Jolla. Meanwhile, downtown still at 63 degrees after climbing in the 70s again today. Low to mid 70s for the inland neighborhoods. Julian also at about 72, 90s in the deserts. So tomorrow is going to be even warmer, just by a few degrees. We're looking at mostly 50s in the morning along our coast, and those thick clouds and patchy fog, we could actually see stubborn clearing into the afternoon for some coastal areas. So you go just a few miles inland, we'll see plenty of sunshine, but there could be a few areas right along our beaches that see those clouds into the afternoon. Temperatures mostly in the low to mid 70s. Inland neighborhoods waking up in the 40s in the morning. By 9, we're already at 60. By 11, we're at 73 degrees. And by the afternoon, low to mid 80s are going to be the trend. So we're surpassing spring-like temperatures. These are summer-like temperatures headed our way this week. 84 in Fallbrook, 85 in Escondido, 86 in Poway. There's those 70s up and down our coastline compared to the averages. Again, temperatures anywhere from 5 to 20 degrees above normal. Biggest spread away from the coastline. And while a few areas are going to be close to records, the only record high that I'm forecasting tomorrow is right there in Ramona at 84 degrees. So big picture, high pressure is building, but it's getting pinched between these two systems right here. So it's amplifying that ridge, bringing in even warmer weather for us. Doesn't last very long. It lasts through Thursday. By Friday, we see a pattern switch, and we're actually going to see a system move through very weak, but it is going to bring a chance for a few showers. Maybe as early as Friday night, could just be some sprinkles or drizzle. That continues into Saturday morning. Some of our weather models are indicating a slight chance for even a few showers to linger into the afternoon or Saturday night, but they would be few and far between. I know, of course, we have the San Diego Football Club game on Saturday, the kickoff game. It's very unlikely to see any rain during that event. On Sunday morning, we will see a chance for a few scattered showers. Again, very light, kind of hit or miss in nature. That continues through Monday. May linger even into Tuesday. This really isn't an organized system, but there is one that may be coming by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. That could bring us some more substantial rainfall. At this point, any rain that we get Friday and Saturday, very, very light. Accumulations very light. Sunday, we could see some light to moderate showers, but they will be fairly isolated to scattered in nature. Closer to 80 by Thursday at the coast. That will be the warmest days. The next 2 days will be the warmest ones inland. In the mid 80s, dropping to the mid 60s this weekend. And again, with that chance for rain Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, as well as a few sprinkles Friday and Saturday. For the mountains, from the 70s to the 50s over the next 3 days, and even 40s next week. And the deserts, not expecting any rain this week, but potentially Sunday into next week.